How to use vehicle motion cues in iOS 18 to reduce motion sickness. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option Accessibility. Now here you're going to find different sections. Under Vision, you'll find the option of Motion. Click on that. With iOS 18, Apple introduces vehicle motion shortcuts, allowing you to control your iPhone effortlessly and safely while driving. These new shortcuts detect your motion in the vehicle, automating tasks and helping you stay focused on the road. To enable it, click on this option, so vehicle motion cues. Checking for the option of on or automatic. Now it will show the dots when vehicle motion is detected and hides them when the motion stops. So this is how you can use vehicle motion cues in iOS 18 to reduce motion sickness. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.